In this video, let us see how to count specific characters in Excel. In this example, I have some text strings in this column separated by semicolons, and let us count the number of semicolons in the adjacent column. Thanks to one of our subscribers who have raised this question. Go to cell C5 and type the formula as. First, let's use the substitute function to remove the semicolon. And then count the number of characters using the len function. And then finally subtract from the length of the original text and press enter. This would give me the result as 5, which is exactly the right answer. And then drag this cell's fill handle to the bottom. You will see the results like this. This is so simple and awesome, right? So in this way you can count all other special characters in Excel. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.